Are you tired of blurry footage and unreliable cameras? I sifted through thousands of Amazon reviews and endless sales data to find out which 5 dashcams people are actually buying and loving. Let's find out if the best sellers are really the best. Redtiger Front and Rear Dashcam. This front and rear dashcam is equipped with a 170-degree front camera and a 155-degree rear camera to minimize blind spots. It offers a Wi-Fi connection and smart app control, a dual-channel wide-angle field of view dashcam, and a waterproof backup dash camera. With excellent night vision and HDR technology, this Redtiger dashcam can capture important details even in low-light conditions. The front and rear dashcams feature a G-sensor emergency lock, loop recording, 24-hour parking monitoring, and GPS tracking with speed. The new dashcam is equipped with a supercapacitor and extremely high temperature resistance and supports cards. Users frequently mention impressive daytime footage and good performance overall, but some report issues with the rear camera's night performance or occasional washout from headlights, which can sometimes be mitigated with a CPL filter. ROVE R2-4K Pro Dashcam. This 5G Wi-Fi dash camera is a budget-friendly option that provides high-quality 4K front-facing video with good detail and night vision, supported by a Sony Starvis 2 sensor. It is praised for its value with a competitive price, including accessories like a 128GB microSD card and features such as GPS, dual-band Wi-Fi, and a suction cup mount. However, some reviews note that the 4K resolution may be misleading, that night vision detail can drop off on bright surfaces, and that stabilization isn't perfect. It also lacks features found on more expensive models, such as a touchscreen, though it is a solid choice for users who don't need those extra luxuries. VIOFO A229 Plus. The A229 Plus with Sony Dual Starvis 2 sensors is a highly rated dashcam praised for its excellent dual-channel video quality, with both front and rear cameras capturing clear, detailed footage day and night, often rivaling 4K models. It features a user-friendly app, reliable GPS, and advanced features like parking mode, making it a strong contender for both first-time buyers and those looking to upgrade. Some users note it's a solid alternative to the more expensive 4K A229 Pro if budget is a concern, but the Pro model offers a significant resolution upgrade. Vantrue N4 Pro S. This 4K 3-channel dashcam is generally well reviewed for its excellent video quality across its 3 cameras, especially in low light thanks to the Sony Starvis 2 sensors. Key features like the optional LTE module for remote monitoring, ease of use with the smartphone app, and powerful parking modes are frequently highlighted as major advantages. However, some users have reported issues such as the need for careful HDR and plate pick setting adjustments, the cost, and the fact that the optional LTE module and hardwiring kits are separate purchases. 70mAh8104K Dashcam. This 70mAh front and rear dashcam is praised for its excellent 4K front camera video quality, which includes clear night vision thanks to its Sony Starvis 2 sensor and HDR technology. The car dashcam features seamless loop recording, automatically overwriting the oldest footage when the memory card is full, ensuring continuous recording without interruption. In addition to the built-in G-sensor, you can also use the dedicated emergency button to lock any footage you deem important. However, reviewers note that the rear camera quality is mediocre, especially in low light. The camera is considered excellent value for its price, but some reliability issues have been reported, primarily linked to overheating or the included lithium battery. Thanks for watching.